Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn deep learning step by step. We'll begin by building a strong foundation. First, master the mathematical concepts of linear algebra and calculus, which are crucial for understanding how neural networks operate. Then, delve into probability and statistics to effectively analyze data and evaluate your models. Finally, ensure you have a solid grasp of Python programming, including key libraries like NumPy and Pandas, before moving on to machine learning basics. Next, we'll dive into the core of deep learning. Start by understanding artificial neural networks, including how activation functions work and the backpropagation algorithm. Then, explore specialized architectures like convolutional neural networks, which are excellent for image recognition, and recurrent neural networks, perfect for handling sequential data. Finally, get hands-on with a leading deep learning framework such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Now it's time to get practical. Begin by working on small, focused projects to apply your theoretical knowledge directly. Seek out real-world datasets from platforms like Kaggle to gain valuable experience. Experiment with hyperparameter tuning to optimize your model's performance, aiming for the best possible results. Also, dedicate time to understanding various data preprocessing techniques, which are essential for preparing diverse data types for your models. To continue your journey, explore advanced topics such as generative adversarial networks or reinforcement learning, which open up new possibilities. Make it a habit to read current research papers to stay informed about the latest breakthroughs and techniques. Consider contributing to open-source projects to further enhance your practical skills and collaborate with others. Finally, join online communities to connect with peers, share knowledge, and foster continuous learning in this rapidly evolving field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.